Hello, Bertolahan. This is Juelito Anyabisa, signing up for this new tutorial for our BESCAM. Okay, so today I will be having a tutorial about BESCAM. So, and what is this BESCAM is all about, and what's the uses. No? So we will be going to a step-by-step process on how to sign up, then how to use this BESCAM. Okay, so uh, you can sign up with BESCAM. So just go to the uh, website, no, https://bescamp.com, or just type bescamp.com. Okay, so you will be redirected into this awesome site. Okay, so sign up. You can sign up. Okay, you can sign up for free. Just enter your name here, your email. If you have a company organization, just put that. Then the at least 8 plus characters with at least one number na password. Okay, then sign up. Then as much as possible, after signing up, you will be told to confirm your account with your email. Okay, so since I have already an account, I will just log into my account. No? This is a Basecamp. Actually, I can log in also directly from my LastPass Bolt here. So this is my account, Pinoy Humbes. Normally, I'm doing Pinoy Humbes as my as a Basecamp. No? I will use this. No? So Basecamp is actually a tools. No? Is it a tools that is used mostly by a company, no? Or some people that is which they can collaborate their work through online. No? Even if this people or this participant in that group is anywhere in the world, still they can do their work. Everyone can see from it through these tools. No? So Basecamp. Okay, so here you can talk to client actually. Okay, so actually Basecamp is an alternative way. If you have a client uh, that is monitoring your work. Okay? For example, I will work as a virtual assistant, and a certain client normally will monitor if I'm working with a client, if I'm working with the project that he is doing. No? So instead of having a time doctor, it is actually sometimes it will monitor you whatever you are working. So it's like also daghan nga dili ganahan because it's intrusion of privacy ba, no, ang kanang time doctor, no. So but that is also good if you will be starting. But here in Basecamp, you can share that with your client. Then on day-to-day basis, even time you can submit what you are doing, no, because there's also a check-in on that. Okay, so here I will be going to the another account, which is the Bertolahan test. No, is what I will be doing because there are so many useful because there are so many people already here actually. So this is what the Basecamp is all about. Okay, so in Basecamp there are 6 windows that you can open to do. No? This is Campfire, which is what Campfire do is this do it today no? Wherein you can chat the same as Facebook. This is like a chat box wherein you can chat to your participant directly, no? No matter si kinsa lang makakita na, no? Why wala basta within the group, no? Example, if this one, each of this represent e group. Okay, so like for me, I'm this GE here, no? This is Julie Tonya Besa. R here will be, this is Rose, this is the also a teacher. Here this is M, this is Mar, this is Juice Gosaba, also our trainer. Then this is me, and then this is Heart, this is Hearty, this is Edmond, this is D Joy Oil, okay? And Auri here. Okay, so all in all, this is the participant of this, no? Or this is the press project, a virtual student. Okay, so this compare is this the chat na. If you will open this compare, mo na ito makita inside. Okay. Okay, so there's some post, no, na ito makita on day-to-day basis. Okay, so even time, it was been recorded and what time na nimo siya gi-post na siya. Okay, the same as it's like Facebook that you could post some link, and actually that link there will be a thumbnails on that, no, nakita na siya. Then that is that's the day and that's the time here, no, that I posted. Okay, so just type, you can only type here, then it will be sent, no, to the group. So everybody is in the group that or the participant will see from that. Okay, that's the good thing of Campfire. And the message in the message window, no, you can post a message like this. Sergius as posting a message last April 24, about this WordPress assignment, no. Okay, so that we have to create our own portfolio using WordPress and sign up and create an account, then master one theme. So this is what about this message, no? So this message can be sent to any or all of the student, no. So kinsa lang po itong imong sindan, mora po ito siya makadawat, no. So you can add and remove other people from this message that you are going to be made here. Okay, so that's the message and window on Basecamp. Then to-dos, no. Then to-dos is we can make a list. Okay, this one is Basecamp sign up. Okay, WordPress assignment, you can click that. Okay, so create your own portfolio, no? So this is a to-dos. No? This is like a day-to-day basis that you will be going also. This is only less that you can remove this after, no? or you can share. Okay, so this is a to-do list. Okay, so when you want to do, you can, when you have to make another list, just click make another list. Then you will be asked to give the name. Okay, then make template for MailChimp like that. It's depending sa imong name, no. Kana siya good is this will be another. Okay, so then after that you can add this list. Okay. Okay, then they have the scheduling. Now, scheduling is like the calendar. You can add another event. Add another event like this. I will try to pick another event. It should be an all the event, like example, like the event of PWD this coming Saturday. So it will be PWD support for Mayor Duterte. Okay, so okay, so this is all the event. So it will be starting on Saturday, and also on Saturday. Okay, so with I will put here Mar okay, so here these are all the participants. So if I will put Mar here, it will be also Mar, and another Edmond will be added here. Okay, so then you can put a note here about okay, venue, time 8:30. AM, venue, SP building, then proceed to Crocodile Park. Okay, attire red color shirt or red color shirt or polo shirt. Okay, so that's will be. Then you can publish, or possible you could add or link. You can add a picture here. Okay, so it is a okay. Okay, you can add or attach documents. So after that you can publish. Okay, so publish this is now publishing. So this will be shown to the three bars. No? So this is Tamar and Edmond. Okay, so that's how you have to schedule. Then check-ins. This is now wherein you can have a check-in every day. Now, automatically you can set up, like for example, it will be asking to 8 people every Monday at 9 a.m. How is your day? Or there's also some question that what did you work on today? So normally it will be asked to 8 people every weekday at 5 p.m. No? So then you can say some answer on this. So those normally a client will be asking this, then they will see the answer here, what they are doing. Then you can check. Then they can check the client can check you what you are doing. Then it could be that the files will be submitted here also. So that's how the check-in do. So docs and file, this is now wherein you can upload your file. Okay, So you can upload files, even you can start creating new folder for yourself. Now, like for here, I am making a folder of my own. Okay, so this will just now a folder. Okay, so all this that I have done, I put is inside on this folder. So basically, this is a good thing about this Basecamp. Okay, so if you can see there is an hey, hey. Okay, if you click that, this is now the latest views now what is doing. So as May, there's an unread here that May is said but be happy. It's a message that Sam is doing, and then Miss Joy is also asking for check-in. What are you working on? Okay, so then I have an applauser in Basecamp like this. You can actually you can check this. So me is putting be happy here. This is on the message actually that he's putting. She's putting here message. So you can connect it like this. Clap. You can. So May can see that I'm making clap at this message. Okay. Then it could be notified to others. Okay, so that's it for the Basecamp. Okay, hoping that you have something to learn with this. Okay, thank you very much and God bless. Bye bye.